Oh, what's up, fam? We're going on some secret jumps right now. Some dude from Twitter, not Twitter, some TikTok. He said there's jumps over here, so I'm beating him up right now. So let's see how the jumps are, because I've been living here for like 2 years and I never even knew about this spot. It's like a hiking trail, I guess. Let's see how the jumps are, because my finger's still sore. So let's see if I hit them at the end of the video. So I'm on week 5 now, since I dislocated my finger. And I'm kind of paranoid right now, because I keep looking in back of me, because like, I don't want to get caught by a cop. So I don't want to get an impound. So the kid from TikTok, Harness, he said I'll be fine if I don't do anything dumb. So hopefully that's true. Hopefully I don't get light up. But I think I should be fine. Hopefully when I hit the jump, it don't hurt my finger. But I got buddy tape in my pocket, I think. Fuck, I lost them. Damn it. I still have like 4 more, so I'm good. Got them on Amazon for like $6. Or maybe I still have it in my pocket. I'm not sure. They're gone. Maybe when I come back, I could find them. So I had to buddy tape these 2 right here. I haven't rode over here for like a year, ever since came down on e-bikes in 2026. I got a new law passed, getting breaking down by the law fair. But it's good to be back over here though. And it's funny because I always ride over here and I always passed it, and I always thought like, oh, there's nothing here. It's kind of funny. I'm almost there, fam. What's up? Thought that was him. I don't know if he's gonna be in the front of the entrance, because when he texted me, he was like all the way in the hiking spot. So I guess this is the entrance. Hey! That's him. What's up, fam? What's up?
Right, when did you get your bike?
This is 2024.
I know, but when did you get it?
Like a year ago.
What's it called though? This isn't even like a Surron track at all. This is for RC cars, but this is just like here. It's cool. But where do you want to go?
I don't even know. I've never been over here.
Road that way, and then it disperses into like a million different trails.
Oh, that's dope.
But we can go like up to the top, or where like some good jumps are, like if you're down.
Yeah, I'm down.
Yeah, this place is cool though.
Yeah, you can hit these jumps?
No, because they're not like made for these bikes. If I hit this, I would like go like this high and land flat.
Oh, damn.
They're for RC cars. They're like.
How about this one right here?
Yeah, this one's fine. This one's easy.
Yeah. Oh.
When you jump, like right before you're about to go, you should throttle a little bit more and kind of like lift up. Just make sure you throttle the very, very end. You can go that's why I was like, look it. But I ordered off at MX Rapper. I got like TXT. You got like some.
A silver. Yeah, I got a silver one.
Can I feel yours?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's kind of like the same.
Yeah, so I was like, what the hell?
You're showing you the there's like 6-foot Surron jumps that you.
But mine makes a lot of noise, like rubbing. Is that normal?
Yeah.
Or
they're supposed to rub. I mean, it's kind of annoying. But like, motor brakes are just supposed to like be like kind of loose, but then when you brake, like it goes like that. Yeah, I thought that was wrong too. I tried to fix it, but it's supposed to be like that.
All right, I'll follow you. Oh. Yeah, I never knew this was like right here.
like really good up to date, but come this way, there's huge. Like look at this. If you fall,
Damn, you eat crap. Have you been to wetlands?
no.
They have bigger jumps. Oh fuck! And I always pass by here too, like a year ago. I wish I could do that, fam.
It's like up.
Oh! Yeah, I walk it. This way?
Yeah, anyway. Yeah?
What's your percentage?
Well, I already went to the top and back down, so I'm at 77.
Oh, I'm at 71. I forgot to charge.
Ah.
Yeah, I'm at 71.
It's annoying.
Yeah.
We're gonna go this way. And then this just goes all the way up. It like keeps curving, and then we go to the top, and you can see like everything. More so that way.
That's dope.
I know.
I thought you were a fake account.
What do you mean?
Like a fake account?
Like AI?
Yeah, or something like that. Like, cause
When I message?
yeah, I thought it was a fake account. I was like, what the heck?
Surron?
Yeah, you didn't. You had a chicken. Yeah, chicken clean.
Yeah. I just don't post videos. I don't know.
Yeah.
I might get an Ultra B this summer because I'm gonna work. I might. Your finger hurts?
Yeah, sore. I don't see it.
Which finger is it? Oh.
Yeah, you see how it's still popping?
You wanna. It's worth it though?
Yeah.
40 maybe?
That's your dog?
Yeah.
Damn.
He doesn't want to go. Yeah, the torque on that is incredible. That's you guys wearing helmets.
Yeah.
It's important.
And the other helmets that don't do anything.
Oh yeah, those are fun jumps. Oh. Hey, do you brake tap? Do you brake tap or nah?
Yeah.
You do?
Yeah. Well, only if you.
Like hard?
Right. Well, yeah. You like stop the tire, I think.
Uh-oh. Well, thanks for showing me.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's pretty dope.
That's a huge jump. You're supposed to go from there all the way to there.
Oh, damn. Hey, is that a cop? I can't, dog? That was a fun jump. Oh, oh, fuck. Yeah, I didn't see that.
Yeah, that's like deadlift.
Damn. Yeah, I'm good.
Dude.
I slipped. end the video right here, fam. Like and subscribe, and we're out.